Pentecostal Network Pennet Program clear to te lalpai swaming in chibai ule tungkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar thlirin lo ngai thlang u North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna sangber General Conference in lo pass to angin United Pentecostal Church of North East India District sompani ina niturin Longtlai West District thar hon anita District thar hi aminga Longtlai West ti ni in Executive Board chuan arwata District thar shwai tu turatan hengmi te hi arwat ngal District Superintendent Reverend R Ramthatzola District Secretary Treasurer Pastor Lelsom Liana Sailo District Hon Program hi meni sompariat in rinizana changatan ani a chanjan hian General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzaman Pathian Thucha asoi Meni Swampakwa Pathiani Khan General Superintendent Reverend Lelmal Somasailo chuan District thar hi hongin Pathian hena hlanna aneya Pathian Thucha Swingalin General Department IOLE Chimtuipui District Official Pathum District Shangshang IOLE District thar Superintendent Reverend Ramthatzola ten thutoi an soibok Tlailama District thar lomna roi buat sai ani a District thar lomnan hian sial pakhat vok beram Zau arle broiler chanem taktalin lim takin lomna roi an kil ho ani District Hon Program Top Zan Pathiani Zan hian General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sangan Pathian Thucha asoi ani Longtlai West District Headquarters atan hian Longtlai 1 Kohhran compound chu man chi ni in District Headquarters mun nge turchu General Shwai tu tele Longtlai West District Board in alangai twa don ani District chunga hian Pastor Bialnga omin member sangthum zathum somni pali chuang anom mekani District Ramri Marlama Lunglei District nen in ri in chim chaklama chim tuipui river Kolodine hi ri ni in hemi thanglam tuipui thangjong chu a area ani ang District Thartan hian UPC North East India Noya District Shangshangte General Department OB tele General Headquarters Office atangte in Lompuina cheng noi thum hlan anni Meni somni thochan ni khan Longtlai West District Board voi khatna cha mari Kohhran bek ina nei ani a General Shwai tu ten antel pui Department Shangshang Shwai tu atan hengmi te hi anruat Missions Department Director Reverend F Lelbiak Trauma full-time Secretary Evangelist V Biakunga Treasurer District Secretary Longtlai West Sunday School Department Director Reverend TV Mongchina Secretary Evangelist K Thangchunga Treasurer District Secretary Longtlai West PYD President Pastor S Vanlelung Nema Vice President Upa B Sangtlunga Secretary Evangelist RVL Chwana Assistant Secretary Twal Upa H Lalmachwana Treasurer Evangelist Henry H Ramthiang Lima LAD President Unaunu Jela Nuntluangi Bible Woman Secretary Unaunu Thangchungnungi Bible Woman Treasurer Unaunu Larindiki Pastoratan Evangelist Kela Zomsanga Chong Tesile Evangelist B Lalbiak Chungte Anla Tharbok General Shwai to the program ngai thak chun zamila General Missions Director Reverend R Lal Hoi chuan meni somni paruk pathiani hian amveng Kohhran hun mangin rawngbawlna aneyang General Shwai to dang Superintendent Reverend Lelmal Somasailo General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sanga General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzaman General Sunday School Director Reverend R Laiching Puyate chuan mani loina Kohhran hun an mangdon ani Meni somni pathum ninga ni khan General Headquarters Office Molpui Salem Veng Aizola Literature and Publication Board meeting nei ani Meeting hi Chairman Reverend R Larin Sangana kai shwaya ziaka rongbol chungchangam halakna turwa manna shangshang bo zuin kumsang ni sompakwa beiral thuzir tur thlir hauna annei bok me ni sompakhatle ni sompani bangkhan Nagaland khopui Kohima UPC Silver Jubilee chu himle hlotling taka man ani Kohima hian UPC Kohhran din ani theinan General Shwai tu tele mishang shangten be pui an lo thak to china kumsa kha zakwa somkwa pathuma tanga sangkha zakwa somkwa palivel khan Dimapur Mission Field Director Evangelist Mingchungnung a chuan chhujui tul ni a shia in Aizola ma rongbol tu unaw pa soi velate unaw nu sang khumi khumte ile unaw palelmal somasai lautu na general superintendent nita te punin Kohima hian rawngbawlna an neia an rawngbawlna pathianin mal somin Kohhran chudin thei alo nita a ni som thum thali sangkha zakwa somkwa pali khan Reverend Elik Nezava General Missions Director chuan Kohima UPC chu formin din alo nita ani Jubilee lomna program pui May ni som pakhat khan tan ni in Jubilee Black honna hunin bulchan ani a Southeast Nagaland District Superintendent Reverend Pentecostal chuan pathian hnena hlanin ahong ani biak inchunga program manchun zamin Reverend James Lawrence Dimapur Missions Field Director in lomna chibai buk na hun mangin former Dimapur Kohima Field Director Evangelist Mingchungdunga chuan thu soin bul an lo chan dan chanchin ro puile mak tak tak asoi chuan lom a hlo hle a unaw pa e monchan ovung chutilai Deputy Director Rural Development Department in anek taile asut hachunga baptisma a chan dan chanchin le report ngai nom tak tak apek chuan Kohhran hote thinlung a hne hle May ni som pani pathiania unaw pa I pichonguli Jubilee Treasurer chuan Jubilee chibai buk na thu soin Southeast Nagaland District Superintendent Reverend Pentecostal hne na tungin pathian thu cha ngai thak ani chanu dar thuma in khom chan le ani a Jubilee souvenir changkang tak release nate shwai tu masa choi moina thil pekla na te nei ani a Reverend Lalsiam Lin zote Dimapur Field Director in Jubilee chibai buk na thu asoi bok Speaker Reverend Chisot Thupitur, District Secretary Southeast Nagaland chuan pathian thu cha asoya athu soila hian tharau thianglim na tho lo thlengin taksadam na changle tharau baptisma chang engi mozat an om ani Jubilee lomna program manchungin unawnu MLA Shillong unapa Omega le unawnu Abigail Thupitur te baka Kohima PYD choir ten zai rawngbawlna an nei thina Jubilee rival thum che ani bok District Shang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chhun zomila May ni somni panni ni lai ni khan lunglei District UPC Conference Hall a Pastor Nupuite Paulin seminar buat sai ani Seminar hian Pastor Nupuite poimo na shang le mo phurna te injirtir ani a Resource Person atan Reverend R Laro sangale District PYD President Evangelist Vilal Duomate man anni he seminar hian lunglei District chunga Pastor Nupui ankal kim thei ani May ni somni panga inrin ni khan lunglei District Headquarters Bial chunga PCD zirtir tu te Paulin District Conference Hall a seminar nei ani a Resource Person atan District Superintendent Reverend C Vanal ena chuman ani May ni somni panga inrin ni khan troi pui Bial Kohhran puile Sunday School Department buat sain 12 local a seminar buat sai ani a Resource Person a Reverend C Larin tuanga District Treasurer le District Sunday School Director Evangelist F lel mangayete anroy May ni somni paruk pathiani hian sakum local rongbol tu le annupui te baka Department shwai tu te Paulin seminar nei ani dona Resource Person atan Reverend R lero sanga man ani ang May ni som pakwa pathiani mangkhan lungsen Bial Missions Department shwai tu te chuan rangte nod le sauta financial campaign anneya rangte sauta rongbol tu le annupui te Paul seminar buat sai ni bokin Bial tu Pastor ke Vanal shwai tu Resource Person anroy May ni som pakwa pathiani khan District PYD malak na in tlabunga leadership le dan thiang hi manupui pasal ne injirtirna ti thupuya mangin seminar buat sai ani a Resource Person atan District PYD Financial Secretary Rongbol 2H Lalming Moya man ani May ni som pakwa pathiani khan tleu lokala Bial tu Pastor LH Lalchandamale upa dar chianga sesom veng chak lokal de chuan hun mangin mithar pathum Kohhran senglu anni May ni somni pali zirtom ni khan tleu lokala vekhian lalram sanga chuan afanu zoram mangai zwalin HSLC exam a hlotlin na achana wangin pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina abwa saya lim takin hun an mang May ni som pariata tangani som pa kuchung khan lunglei District Sertlang pui Bial malak na indeng sur lokala Bial Kohhran pui shwai tu ten financial campaign le sum vondan dik injirtir na anneya May ni som ni panga tangani som ni paruk chung hian Trump pui lokala financial campaign le sum vondan injirtir na hi annei le ang Lunglei District LED Conference in Laurel angin Biali Infin Revival chu nei chho mek ani a me ni somni bali zir top jana tangkhan tlabung bial lungsen bial chongte bial le theiriat bial te chuan tlabung lokala he Biali Infin Revival hi mangin me ni somni paruk pathiani zan thleng an mangang tin me ni somthum pakhata tanga jun ni chung hian he Biali Infin Revival hi bial pariat ten mun nia an nei chunjom le anga haulong lalveng lokala haulong bial chipphir bial sertlang pui bial le puk pui bial ten an nei anga na thial bial luangmol bial troi pui bial le pangjol bial ten he Biali Infin Revival hi an nei bokang Biali Infin Revival a hian LED member se atam thei ang brekal turin Biali Infin Revival dol tu tur lokal te chuan an som ani me ni somni panhi ni lai ni khan Lunglei District Headquarters Local Sunday School Hall a Lunglei District Missions Board 2 Director Reverend R Vanal enga kai shwaina in nei ani a General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoyan Board hi atel pui anro rel tlang pui te Home Missionary Post pakhat arwa ka wangin Home Missionary lak thati ani a advertisement to alak ani ang Home Missionary te seminar retreat nei pui thati ani Home Missionary in kai shwaina dan en non ani Sangni Sompukwa District Conference Zoutlang Local Tour Thirlok na nei ani a General Missions Field Tungin Conference manpui tur chani se thati ani Putunga si quartera syntax liter sangkhat pek thati ani me ni somparuka tangani somparia chunga Scripture Union Camp Mahabalipuram Chennai Muna India Unit Botsaya Joshua Generation Youth Camp Sangni sompukwa manga Pentecostal choir rawngbawlna nei te chuan namtakin me somni pathum ninga ni khan aizol an thleng Joshua Generation Youth Camp sangni sompakwa hian thupuya fearless ti manni in speaker hian America mi an mang ani hehuna hian Pentecostal choir te hian zai rawngbawlna an nei baka cultural program an mana namlam entirin Isaac Memorial Trophy Bible Quiz Botsaya an telbok General PYD Executive Board in Somna amu angin hehun mangtur hian Pentecostal choir le District PYD OBT cultura ati agin me ni som pani khan aizol an chwa chana Chennai hi me ni som panga ni lai ni khan an thleng ani Joshua Generation Youth Camp a hian Pentecostal choir member som pakwa baka District PYD atungin member paruk anwain mi somni panga an kal thei ani Chennai ankal na turatan hian Pentecostal choir te hian aizol khopui chunga twal chung kaushan shanga zai rawngbawlna nein tholom an khon baka District kaushan pui District Department shang le General PYD atungin chanpuina andonga Pentecostal choir te le District PYD OB10 lom thu an soi ani me ninga pathiani khan District PYD Environment Protection Committee twal upa arwanla ropeka chairman kai shwain nei ani hehuna hian thupui mo tak ngai tu ani in kumsang ni sompoku chung hian thingphun le ngei ni se anti baka environment protection ramngo le kan chevel hum hal lam hoi thupui mangin slogan imphwa siak ba sai ni se July tharal ma in chairman R Vanal Ropeka phone number 98624402627 le VL Nunhima secretary phone number 8132 842955 thelu ni se anti a kumsang ni sompoko chungin seminar nei turati ani bok me ni sompa sari atangani sompoko chung khan darlon bel PYD te chuan sun hu chip muna half year meet hlotling takin an mang inrini ni leng khan sports item di shang mangin inti hlimna hun an manga inrini zana tang khan revival in khomin hun an mang ani Revival in Khoma hian bial shwai tu te baka bel to pastor Reverend T Lal biak le na te hne jongin pathian thu cha ngai thak thin ni in pathian tharau thiang hlim ompuin hnuaya hlim takin hun an manga pathian hi chonhu khan penel hlotling takin an nei boka tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi panga an om ani pathian ni zana khan fellowship hun hlim om tak an mang bok me ni som pakwa pathian ni chonhu le zan mang khan nalan bial chung twal cheng muna District Missions Department in rongbol tu anda mek evangelist TC Kap zathanga te rongbol na toy omin na lan khuchung PYD member enge mozat te chuan rongbol na hlotling takin an nei boka heta hian PYD member za chuangkal khobin pathiani tlai khan mol in khom an neya zana waime hola in khom na an nei bok May ni som pariat le ni som pokom mang khan nor van lai phai bial lungkol local de chuan nau pangpua lang camp an bot sai he huna hian bial chunga tir ko te hne na tringin pathian thu cha ngai thlak thin ni in he huna kal khom te hian hlok thlak an ti hle ani May ni som ni panga inrin ni khan twal upalal ding lian te chung kwa am veng kaushan te chuan pathian choi moina nein kaushan hoten lim takin hun an mang he huna hian speaker Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent Chumman ni in pathian ni zan thleng hian revival program a hun man chun zom ani ang Molpui BLPYD te chuan May ni som pariat inrin ni khan Falcon Referral Hospital a adu apyang te tan man turin athlonin thisen an pe Thisen hi Falcon huna kalchilin an pe a thisen pek ma hian hun ser toy man ni in Reverend F Lalchan hima bel to pastor chuan mangin he huna kal khom PYD member te hna lom thu soin chanpui ngai te tana luang chhuak zel tur du sakna hlanin tongtaina amang ani Molpui BLPYD ti hian tumdanga po thisen hi peto thinin tuntuma hian mi pa som pathum le meichia pahni anwain thisen unit som panga an pe ani Aizawl East District Shrai to the program Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent Chuan May ni som ni pali zir top ni khan darlon bia sailutar biak in honna aneya May ni som ni panga inrin nia twal upalal ding lian de chungkwa amveng kaushan ten pathian ne na lom thu soi choi moina aneya speaker a atang le a May ni som ni paruk pathian ni khan district headquarters kaushana seminar neya resource person a atang le ani District Secretary Reverend Biak Sangzwala chuan May ni som ni panga inrin ni khan kholian huna rongbol tu pol seminar neya resource person a tangin pathian ni zan thleng hun a mangang sia ha bial te chuan May ni som pali atangani som pasari chung khan home mission field riasika biak inchu sachun zomin pathian shraina zara lo atheya peifel anita Hebiak in hi fit som pariat som ni paruka sei ni in district board chuan se habial kaushan kuta sum tho chwale sakdan tur chu ada a se habial te hian mala in puipa te le bial chung kaushan te work camp a hian an thok chhuak thin ani May ni som ni pakhat thole ni khan chimtui district board ne ani a board hi district superintendent Reverend Thanchunga Sailo chuan kai shwain general superintendent Reverend Lalmel Soma Sailo chuan atel puibok Anthurel Tlangpuite District Missions Director Tharatan Reverend Dr. C.C. Morwat ani Nio Tlangbial Pastoratan Pastor V le Limpuyale Revival Pastoratan Pastor C le Swanthangate Ruat ani North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltluanga chuan May ni som ni paruk pathian ni manghian kanan tharbiak in sakthar ahonga rawngbawlna ane ngal May ni som paruk nilai ni khan North Mizoram District Nwaya Pathian Thuzirna Pentecostal School of Ministry Committee ne ani Committee hi PSM Principal Reverend Laltluangan kai shwain kumin jun tha a PSM kaldan tur le zirtir tuten an subject lak tur an rahman felbok PSM registration day kalpui dan tur rahman na nein jun ni thum thochan ni registration day man ani anga district headquarters kaushan bek ina man ni in PSM Principal Reverend Laltluangan in khom akai shwayang Northeast India UPC General Conference kumin October tha North Mizoram District Kolasip dia konbelten an thlentura May ni sompali thole zandar sari khan an thukhom Meeting hi Kolasip dia konbel to Pastor Reverend Silal Manpuyana Kaishwaya District Pui IO in District Secretary Reverend Siarpuyan Ahobaka District LED Shwai tu Pathumte an kimbok ani Meeting a hian General LED Conference thlenna tura Kolasip dia konbelten in buat saina an local pui to dan report upa R.NEI laya organizing secretary chuan pe in conference pandal sakna tura ta na ruahman na anlo nei mun chungchang soin tuna mun andil mek CCPC campus chu beisei ni se anti North Mizoram District Missions Department in angin May ni som ni thochan ni dar som le achan ve khan headquarters belte Persang Missionary Quarters Saturin work camp in an fe chhuak work camp a fe chhuak te hi bel to Pastor Reverend C Lian Chamale bel Secretary Evangelist Challian ten an hova anvain member pasari an thok chhuak ani Rep Chandan angin karlaklo apo bel cha anni chauzel an beisei Persang mission field hi Kohhran ramri thena dampareng puibial chung omni in aizola tanga kilometer za somruka hla om ani North Mizoram District Tlang Nuambial Missions Department Phalak na Kohhran in Kloton Unreal chu atho ni na me ni som pakwa pathian ni kalta khan an nei Hetianga Missions Department and Kohhran in Kloton program an roman hi an hlok pui hle a in Kloton tho ni na hian lungleng 1 North lungleng Samtlang le melthum Kohhran te in khom na nein bial chung Kohhran mi puiten hunhlim ong tak mangin pathian an joy moi ho ani Tlang Nuambial PYD buat sain main somni panga in rinni khan Samtlang Kohhran biak ina seminar kam retreat buat sai ani Bial tu pastor lerwat ki mafan ai chu resource person atan anroya bial PYD 10 an hlok pui hle me ni som pasari atangani som poko chung khan hun thar bial eden thar Kohhran te chuan Sunday School Department buat sain no panglang camp an buat sai Lang camp a hian Evangelist H. Laring heta District Sunday School Secretary to Speaker Ahman ni in no pangten an hlok pui hle a no panglang camp a hian campers somthum lutin in rinizan atangin revival program man chunjom ngal ani a pathian ni jing hian General Sunday School kumpuan mangin speaker hian thua soibok ani me ni som pariat in rin ni khan leng pui Kohhran aloi unaw pa manga izwala chung chuan Kohhran tekal tangin pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina an buat saya Reverend B Vanelwa to kolasip venglai bel to pastor to speaker atan an roi me ni som ni thojan jan khan din thar Kohhran buat sain pathian thu zir ho na nei ani a heta hian Reverend B Vanelwa to zirtir tu atangin suangai damna baptism thu te pathian pakhat chungchang te an zir ho bok Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak ho le theite ani e